Hey guys, this is Tanisha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make corn. Easy peasy way to do corn. And summertime is here, so there's a lot of corn around now, so it's the best time to enjoy your corn. First I got them cleaned up, get them all ready for the pot. The pot with boiling water, it's with salt and sugar, and I'm going to be adding my corn into it just like that. You have to have a nice big pot so all the corns, they're separated once you put them in, so they're not overlapping with each other. And make sure the stove is on high. um, I put butter in my corn once I'm cooking it, so I don't have to butter it after I'm done cooking it. And the only butter that I use is basil butter. That's my go-to butter for everything in the house. Anything I'm cooking and I want butter, one butter I use is basil butter. It's the best. So once it's all cooked now, I drain them off and take them out the pot, put them on a cutting board. And this is the best part of it, when I season it with my Cajun season. This is the only season that I put on the corn. A lot of people add a lot of different seasoning, but Cajun season have a lot of different flavor inside of it and a lot of different season mixed together. So it's just perfect. I just use one season and the spice is perfect on it. And that's what I do. I make sure to put like a lot on it because it tastes better when it's really have that season soaked into it. Put generous amount, please. It's the best. And there you have it, the finished product. And this, my family enjoys corn this way better than just plain corn. So thanks for watching.